Clark County Today is presented by Connell Real Estate. Hire an agent, get a team. Learn more by visiting connellrealestate.com.
Hey everyone, Chris Brown here with your ClarkCountyToday.com video update for Monday, December 21st, first day of winter. Hey, daylight hours start increasing after this, so there's a positive bit of news for you. Well, Clark County added 333 new COVID-19 cases over the weekend, but no new deaths were reported. Hospitalizations also decreased slightly to 9.2% of bed space, with 57 confirmed and 2 suspected cases hospitalized in Clark County. 860 people have a case that is still considered active, meaning they're within 10 days of a positive test or symptom onset. Meanwhile, the Moderna COVID-19 vaccine was approved for use in Washington state over the weekend. Around 135,000 doses of that vaccine are expected to arrive this week, along with 45 or 50,000 more doses of the Pfizer vaccine. The Moderna version requires less stringent storage measures, so it's expected to be more useful for rural hospitals that lack the kind of cold storage that the Pfizer vaccine requires. Well, as a new strain of the coronavirus hits the United Kingdom and parts of South Africa, Washington Governor Jay Inslee announced today that anyone arriving in the state from those regions will be required to quarantine for 2 full weeks and should get tested. The new strain apparently spreads much more easily, though it's not yet known if it's any deadlier than earlier versions of the virus. Health experts also believe that vaccines currently in distribution should be effective, even against this new strain of the virus. Well, following new guidance on school openings, more Clark County districts are announcing plans to begin transitioning to small groups of in-person students soon. The decision comes following several rallies around Clark County late last week, urging administrators to get students back to the classroom.
This is hurting all of our kids. I have children that are well supported at home that are sitting in front of their Zoom screens crying through classes. That's not okay. Young men dying in our community is not okay. These children need to be back in school. Our case numbers in this zip code are low enough. They should be back in school now. Not lip service to a plan that might take place in February after our levy is up for a vote. Before then, all kids, K through 12, get them back in school.
Washougal School District announced late last Friday they would begin reopening in January with a phased approach, starting with younger grade levels. Emerging research continues to suggest school-aged children are less likely to be infected with COVID-19 or spread it to others. For more details on this emerging story, head over to ClarkCountyToday.com. Well, some new apartments are coming to downtown Washougal. Portland-based Killian Pacific has announced plans for the 9 Bark, a new residential development along the Columbia River near the Parker's Landing area. Construction is expected to start next fall, with first units opening within a year after that. Killian and Holst Architecture said the $60 million development will feature 3-story apartment homes with large floor plans. Now, the pandemic is influencing design plans, with more people expected to seek 2-bedroom units so they can have an office to work from. The developers are planning to work with the Port of Camas-Washougal to create access to nearby natural areas. You can learn more about the plans by reading our full story at ClarkCountyToday.com. Well, hey, folks, in Clark County, you stepped up big time over the weekend, helping out thousands of people in need of a helping hand. Our own Paul Valencia went along with the Santa's Posse volunteers Sunday morning and filed this report.
Hey, Paul Valencia here. The Valencia family just picked up a couple of packages from Santa's Posse pickup area at the Clark County Event Center. Now we're headed to East County to deliver some toys and some food to some families in need. And it was inspiring this morning looking at the Clark County Event Center with hundreds of cars in line helping out Santa's Posse. Take a look.
Hi, Merry Christmas. We're here from Generations Church and we're so excited to be part of Santa's Posse this year. We're loading up these cars with lots of toys. We're going to get them delivered to hundreds of kids all over Clark County today. We're so excited to be a part of it.
Well, I've been doing this for 40 years as a police officer, and I've been privileged to be 25 years with Santa's Posse here with the Sheriff's Office. And this is just amazing. This is what it's all about, giving back to the community, showing them how much support we give to them, and truly what a blessing it is for us to be able to be out here every day protecting and serving our community, but this is how we also serve. And so we really enjoy this, and we have so many people helping us. It's just amazing, and we love every minute of it.
All right, thanks so much, Paul, and thank you to everyone who stepped up to help out. And that is your Monday check of the stories we're following for you at ClarkCountyToday.com. You can check us out on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to see when stories are posted and be part of the conversation. You can also email news tips and story ideas to news@ClarkCountyToday.com. For all of us, I'm Chris Brown. Thanks so much for watching. We'll be back with you again tomorrow.